Hey everyone! Welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. We're so glad you're here.
You probably already know the word hello, but Americans use many other greetings in everyday life.
You may hear hi, hey, what's up, or how's it going, but when should you use each one, and how should you answer?
Today, we'll help you greet friends, coworkers, neighbors, and new people.
Let's get started.
First, remember this. Hello is correct, and you can use it in many situations. But in everyday American English, people often say hi instead.
Hi.
Hi is short, friendly, and very safe. You can say it to a friend, a coworker, a neighbor, or someone you do not know well.
Hello sounds a little more formal, but it is also friendly and correct.
Hello.
Now imagine two coworkers arriving at the office in the morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Using hi and good morning together sounds natural, and when you are not sure what to say, hi is usually the easiest choice.
The time of day can also help you choose a greeting. Use good morning early in the day and good evening later in the day. Good afternoon is also correct, but in casual situations, many Americans simply say hi.
You may also hear morning instead of good morning.
Morning.
Morning is a short casual way to say good morning.
But be careful with good night. Good night is usually not a greeting. Say good evening when you arrive in the evening. Say good night when you leave or before you go to sleep.
Listen to this short example. Good evening, Ben.
Good evening, Emily.
And later, when I leave, I can say good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Now let's move to more casual greetings.
When you are speaking to a friend, a classmate, or a coworker you know well, you can say hey.
Hey.
Hey is very common and friendly, but it is more casual than hi. You may also hear hey there.
Hey there.
Here is a short conversation between two friends.
Hey, Ben. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good, thanks.
How's it going is a casual way to ask how someone is. You can answer with I'm good, pretty good, or not bad.
Now listen to another common version.
Hey, how you doing?
Not bad. I'm heading to work. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks.
You do not need to give a long answer. A short, friendly answer is enough.
Another common casual greeting is what's up?
What's up?
It sounds like a question, but people often use it like hi or how are you? You usually do not need to give a long answer.
Hey, what's up?
Not much. How about you?
I'm good.
Not much and nothing much are both natural answers.
Use what's up with friends and people you know. In a formal situation or with someone new, hi or hello is safer.
Now, imagine you are meeting someone for the first time.
Let's hear how that sounds.
Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Use nice to meet you when you meet someone for the first time. When you see the person again later, say nice to see you or good to see you.
What about someone you do not know?
You can say hi to greet the person. If you need to ask a question, begin with excuse me. Excuse me is not really a greeting. It is a polite way to get someone's attention.
Emily wants to sit down, but she is not sure if the seat is free.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Thank you.
Short, polite, and clear. That is all you need.
Now, imagine you see an old friend after a long time.
You can say, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Use this when a lot of time has passed since your last meeting.
Let's listen to two old friends meet again.
Emily, long time no see.
Ben, it's been a while. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Long time no see and it's been a while both mean that you have not seen the person for a long time. Good to see you shows that you are happy to meet them again.
But do not say long time no see to someone you saw yesterday.
That would sound a little strange. Greetings are not only about words. Body language is important too.
In the United States, a smile and a small wave are common and friendly. People may shake hands when they meet for the first time, especially at work.
Close friends or family members may hug, but you do not need to hug someone you just met. It is completely normal to simply smile and say hi.
Before we practice, remember this: the best greeting depends on the person and the situation.
And if you are not sure, a simple hi is always a safe choice. Now let's practice with 4 short situations.
First, you see a coworker in the morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Next, you see a friend at a coffee shop.
Hey, Ben, what's up?
Not much. How about you?
I'm good. Now imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Hi, I'm Ben.
Hello, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. For the final situation, imagine it is evening and you see your neighbor outside.
Good evening, Ben.
Good evening, Emily. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Have a great evening.
You too. Let's quickly review.
If you are not sure, hi or hello is always a safe choice. You can also use good morning, good afternoon, or good evening at different times of day.
With friends, classmates, and people you know, try, hey, how's it going? Or what's up?
Say nice to meet you the first time you meet someone. Say nice to see you or good to see you when you meet them again.
And say long time no see when you see someone again after a long time.
Remember, a smile and a simple greeting are usually enough. We hope this episode made American English greetings feel simple and natural.
You do not need to remember every greeting today. Choose 2 or 3 and practice them this week.
Here is today's challenge. Write one greeting you want to use in the comments below.
And if this lesson helped you, subscribe to Daily Duo English for more real English conversations.
We'll see you in the next episode.
We're your Daily Duo.
And your English-speaking buddies.
Bye!